Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, April the 24th. Yes, April 24th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member, Trade Ideas, to be in our free room. The room is open Monday to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see, a couple of links. You'll see a promo link for 15% off a Trade Ideas subscription. And you'll also see the next test drive link, which starts May the 11th. So the test drive starts on May the 11th. It runs to May the 22nd. That will give you 10 trading days. You'll actually have access to the program on, May the 8th, a couple hours after the market closes. That's the Friday. So you can play around with it on the weekend, and then the test drive starts on May 11th. And then you'll have another weekend, and then it is over on the 22nd. So that's 10 trading days. It'll cost you $8.99, and for that you get access to our full premium service, just as if you were a premium subscriber. And if you are a standard subscriber right now, you can upgrade. We'll upgrade you. If you take the test drive, we'll upgrade you for those 10 trading days. We don't have free trials, probably the number one asked question, but this is about as close as you're going to get. We do this 4 times a year. So again, it'll cost you $8.99. And please, if you sign up right now, basically what you're doing is you're pre-registering. Please don't harass our poor support people and say, hey, I just signed up, where's my data? It doesn't start until the 11th. Well, guys, listen, a very quiet day for me. I actually haven't even taken any trades, but I do want to talk about, and this is going to drive me crazy, some work that I did on last night, looking for potential swing setups, okay? And I came across the Amarin, and you can probably see why on the monthly chart. Weekly chart even looks better. Look at this weekly chart for Amarin, okay? So look at all the room. That's what we always talk about in the trading room. Look at the room it could potentially have to go to. All right. I mean, there on that week, I can't remember what happened. Maybe some bad news. But it collapsed from 1369 all the way down to 4 something. It has been trying to come back for the last 2 weeks. Now the third week. I don't like the fact that it's kind of racing a little bit. What I was hoping would happen is that it might just sort of stabilize a little bit up here. And then by the end of the day, if it was up here, I was going to take this as a swing trade, and I was going to put maybe I have to look at the daily chart. Yeah, I was going to put my stop right underneath $6. So it'd be a fairly wide stop. But the reason why, of course, a wide stop, even if I got in right now at 7:30, so that'd be about about $1.40 stop. But you look at the potential. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to get up here, but we'll have to see. I mean, I'm just going to have to see how it trades. What I don't want to see happen for me to take this trade is it to really start giving it up and come down under 7 again. I won't be interested. What I'd rather see is just maybe have it sit around here, maybe not get too extended, but we'll have to see. I mean, I just don't know. I'm not a big swing trader, but when I saw that, I thought, man, if I'm ever going to swing trade, that could be one. That definitely was a good candidate. So guys, really not a lot happening for me today, and really this week. One of the reasons is that I'm answering a lot of questions in the room, which is absolutely fine. It's taken a little bit away from my trading, but it's not like I've seen some, I've missed some that I really should have been in, but it's part of the job, and I certainly don't mind helping people. And we'll have to see next week though, because next week we're starting earnings season in full force. Next week we have about 500 companies releasing earnings. This week we had, I think, about 280. The week after next, it should be about 1,000. So for the next month or so, we'll have a lot of companies releasing earnings. And so we should have a lot of different, we'll have a lot of earnings setups, stocks that are really, really active all day long, good trend plays all day long, almost regardless what the market is doing. Now, having said that, we haven't had an earnings season in this sort of a market ever. So, I guess I better maybe make a reservation there in that I'm not sure what sort of earnings season we're going to have. Most of the time, of course, when companies release earnings, it's all about what they did in the past quarter, and then they're always guiding what they think might happen in the following quarter, upcoming quarter. This is going to be completely, most companies, I believe, are just going to say, hey, we have no guidance. I mean, how can any company really have any guidance that anybody can take seriously when we really don't know what's going to happen over the next 3, 6 months, maybe even a year? So anyway, guys, that's about it. I have no problem. I mean, it's kind of fun actually to answer all these questions. It'll get me really in tune for the test drive when we have a lot of new people asking questions. So anyway, I want to get back into the room. There might be a late day trade I want to take, so I'm just going to get back into the room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. There's a link for the free trading room, and I will open the room at 9 o'clock Monday morning. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.